Good afternoon, Spectrum High School students. It is Monday, December 7th, 2020, and welcome to week 4 of distance learning. Just a few announcements here this week. Number one, I wanted to point out that we are having some trouble with students not attending their RTI sessions that their teachers are selecting them for. Please be sure that you are showing up to those. Number one, first and foremost, it's really important for your own learning and the support that your teachers are trying to provide for you during this time. If you are struggling, there is an option there and there is a resource there for you to use. If you are in advisory and need to meet with a teacher specifically, please let your advisor know on Mondays and they can set you up with that teacher throughout the course of the week during those RTI sessions. But please take us up on the offers that we are providing for you in relation to the support that you need academically. The second thing is if you are struggling, I am going to also encourage you to be that self-advocate that we always talk about here at Spectrum. Talk to your advisor, talk to your counselors. One of the things that we have here at Spectrum right now is our on-site group, who, when they are there, they are provided with, and I'm speaking of when they are here at school, they are meeting in the College and Career Center typically, and there they have a quiet environment where they can attend their virtual classes, and it's dedicated and structured work time for them. There's some support there. They're held accountable throughout the course of the day, and maybe that is something that you need. So we just opened that window and that opportunity back up for students to sign up for that. If that is something of interest to you, please speak with your advisor or your counselor. They will take note of that. We likely will be opening that window and that opportunity again here in the next couple of weeks, but please be patient with us as there's a lot to that and we need to figure some things out in order to make that run smoothly, such as transportation and lunches and things of that nature. So that is an opportunity and a resource that I wanted to be sure to share with you today. Lastly, I just wanted to remind you that as the week progresses and additional announcements are put out there, they are always available via our website. So please make sure you are keeping up with those. All right, our very last thing here today is birthdays, and we have a lot of them. So today, December 7th, is Deacon Diedrich's birthday. Happy birthday, Deacon. December 8th is Jack Suter, Natalie Sims, and Ingrid Herstad. December 9th is Jaden Will and Daniel John. December 10th is Catherine Cornelius, Noel Hensel. December 11th is Olivia Larson. And finally, December 12th is Tracy DeHaan. So happy birthday to those folks this week. That is all I have for you today. Please, again, keep those opportunities for support in mind and take care of yourselves. Have a great week.